to Engineering Update. I'm Casey Panetta, Managing Editor of ECN. In this week's episode, a drone delivery system, harnessing the power of the roadway, and light up carpets. If you're already signed up for Amazon Prime for its next day delivery, you might want to get on board the drone trend since Amazon says that's the next big thing in sales. The drones would be capable of carrying packages and orders under 5 pounds to any site within 10 miles of a fulfillment center. That means you could have your deliveries in less than 30 minutes. All packages would be placed in small containers and carried by a custom-built octocopter. There are a lot of safety and flight risks to be worked out over the next year, but Amazon is pushing for the option to be available by 2015. And given that Amazon processed 300 orders per second on Cyber Monday, prepare yourself for some cloudy skies. There has been no shortage of systems designed to harness the power of the roadway to produce energy. Most of them utilize piezoelectric materials to convert mechanical stress, like the weight of a pedestrian on a sidewalk or car on the road, into electrical current that can be used for electricity. However, because those systems are often expensive to implement, a creative entrepreneur has come up with an entirely new approach. In his system, the energy is created not by cars driving over a sensor, but rather by the cars driving up a small ramp made from a polymer planted in the roadway. The ramp is about 2 inches over the surface, and when it's pushed down by the weight of the car, it creates air, which travels to a bellows, then a hose, and finally into a storage tank where it eventually powers a turbine. The system works best in high traffic areas, but theoretically it could be used in pedestrian walkways or lower traffic areas. Though LEDs have been an almost obnoxiously hot topic for the past few years, they've never been quite this underfoot. According to a recent press release, Philips, a lighting company, and Desso, a carpet company, have joined forces in order to create carpet that lights up using LEDs. The idea is that the technology, which combines LED with light transmissive carpeting, would replace signs in places like offices, hotels, or airports. Instead of the traditional wall sign, the floor would light up to indicate which direction a specific gate might be in or where the emergency exit is located. Generally speaking, the light-up carpet is designed to help people navigate, but it also eliminates the clutter of multiple signs. The lighting is available in various shapes and sizes, including arrows, dots, letters, or various patterns. Though the companies haven't released a name yet, they plan to start a full marketing campaign next year. That wraps up this week's episode. Be sure to join the conversation on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I'm Casey Panetta, and this has been your Engineering Update.